Hi Dresser Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw the wolf from Minecraft. So let's get started. To draw this cute wolf, let's first start by drawing the eyes. So I'm going to start right here with a rounded off rectangle. So I'm going to start right here with a straight line coming down about this high. And I'm just going to round off the corners a little bit and then come across to create my rectangle. And as I come to this other side, on this corner, I'm going to slant it down just a little bit more and then bring it down just to give the eyes a little bit more definition. And then I'm going to round this part off and then connect everything. There. And then I'm going to split it in half. So let's say about right here, down the line, and then go ahead and shade this all in. There, so I got one eye in. From there I'm going to draw the other eye. So I'm going to use this as my guide and come right across, say about this wide, and draw the same thing. So I'm going to go up, straight, and then round it off, just like the other side, about right there, and finish it off. So about right here, round it off, and same thing. And once again, down the middle, and we're going to shade in this side. There. So now I have the eyes in, I'm going to start to draw the nose area. So I'm going to come about right here in this area underneath the eye, and I'm just going to draw a soft curve that touches the eye, and it's just going to pop out a little bit. So it's softer and not just a straight line. And come right down. So you just want to draw this soft curve right, oops, sorry, right there. If you're not comfortable drawing this, you can go ahead and just make it straight. Then from there, I'm going to bring it down, come straight down to about right there, and then round this part off and connect. So nice, big and big right there. So now that we have the shape in, come back to the center, and right here, where it kind of pops out, we're going to draw the nose right in the center. So we want a big wolf nose. So I'm just going to draw this curve, then bring it down to the center about right here. And same thing on this side. And then I'm going to come right here and just put in the nostrils. So the nose is actually kind of like this. It's black, but like a dark gray when you color it. There, so that you can have room for so then the nostrils will show up. Okay, so now we have them. I'm just going to lightly draw a straight line down. And before I forget, I'll just add in some whisker dots right here just to make it extra cute. There. Okay, so now that we have that, we need to draw the bottom. So right about here, come in. And we're just going to curve it and connect. So the bottom jaw part. There. And I'm just going to come in here real quick, thicken this line up for the top. Okay, so now that we have that, we need to start to draw the head shape. So, which is kind of like this rounded off square, right? So let's come to where the eyes are. And I'm going to come about right here and give myself a point on both sides. Using that as my guide, I'm going to draw a straight line down. Same thing here. And I'm going to bring this line down all the way to the bottom right here. So that's going to be the bottom of my square. So about right here. We're going to round it off and connect everything. So same thing on this side. About right there. And connect. And now we can bring it up. So about right here. And go across. To about there. And connect everything to create your head. There. Okay, so now that we have that, we can come back into this area. We're going to draw the ears. So I'm just going to go straight up and about right here, round it off, go across and then come down and then draw the inside. Just follow the outside. There. And same thing on this side. So about right here. And same thing. And once again, draw the inside. There. Okay, and then last thing, maybe I can just draw it lightly. 2 little curves right here on the eye just to give it more definition. And now that we have that in, let's go ahead and draw the body. So I'm going to come about right here, maybe where the middle of the eye is. Just give myself a point. Same thing here. And from there, I'm going to go ahead and draw the chest area. So I'm going to come down with a curve and then maybe zigzag a little bit just to make it look like fur. And then we're going to bring it down all the way down to the center. So let's say about right here. Zigzag a little bit and then bring it right back up and connect. There. And then let's see, and then before I forget, I'm going to come right back here and just draw a curve all the way across. So this is where the collar is going to be. And then let's see, then we can come back and draw the legs. So I'm going to come right about here. Just draw a curve, and then we're going to curve right here. And then in this area, we're going to put in the foot. So I'm going to go up with a curve and connect. And then right here, just put in 2 curves. So same thing on this side, about right here. And same thing. And in between, whatever space you have left, just come up a little bit and just draw a soft curve. And then for the sides, just finish it off. Curve coming down. And same thing here, just to simplify it. And then of course we need a little tail, so let's see about right here. I'm just going to pop out this curve and tuck it in, and then just draw in a little curve right there. And I think we have pretty much everything, hopefully. Maybe a little line right here for the collar, just for some detail. But that is pretty much it for my drawing here of the wolf from Minecraft. I really hope you love how this turned out, and I hope you draw it fun and easy. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.